state and collapse the wave function of possibility into the hard reality of fact. But if observation creates reality, and if consciousness is required for observation, then what observed the universe into existence? What collapsed the cosmic wave function that brought space and time, and matter and energy into being? Was it God? Was it us somehow reaching backward through time to observe our own creation? Or was it something else entirely? Something so alien to human understanding that we don't even have words for it? The answer may lie in the nature of information itself. Every particle, every force, every field in the universe can be described as information. Patterns of yes and no, 1 and 0, existence and non-existence. Your body is information. Your thoughts are information. The stars and planets and galaxies are all information arranged in incredibly complex patterns that create the illusion of solidity, of permanence, of reality itself. But information, unlike matter and energy, doesn't need to be created or destroyed. It simply is eternal and infinite, waiting to be organized into the patterns we call reality. Picture the universe as a vast library containing every possible book, every possible story, every possible arrangement of every possible character. Most of these books are nonsense, random strings of letters that spell nothing, mean nothing, create nothing. But some of them, an infinite decimally small fraction, tell coherent stories, describe consistent realities, outline universes that could actually exist. Our universe is one of these books, and we are characters in its story. Conscious information patterns that have become aware of our own existence within the text. But here's the twist that makes this metaphor more than just a metaphor. In this cosmic library, every book exists simultaneously. Every possible universe, every possible timeline, every possible version of you reading these words right now, all exist at once in what physicists call the multiverse. The universe that began with a Big Bang exists alongside universes that began with big bounces, big rips, big freezes, and cosmic events so strange that we haven't invented names for them yet. You are not just reading about the end of the universe. You are reading about the end of every possible universe, including universes where the very concept of ending is meaningless. In some timelines, you never existed. In others, you are immortal. In still others, you are the last conscious being in a dying cosmos, watching the final stars burn out one by one until only darkness remains. All of these realities are equally real, equally valid, equally true. This is why the Big Bang didn't bang, because it wasn't a single event, but an infinite cascade of events, a cosmic symphony played simultaneously in every possible key, a story told in every possible language to every possible audience. The beginning of everything is also the middle of everything and the end of everything, all happening at once in dimensions that transcend our linear understanding of causality and time. And this is where our journey truly begins, not with the creation of everything, but with the recognition that everything has always existed in forms so beautiful and terrible and strange that the human mind can only glimpse them in moments of perfect darkness. When the distractions of everyday life fall away, and we find ourselves face to face with the infinite mystery that surrounds us, supports us, and ultimately consumes us all. The universe will end, but it will also never end. It will die, but it will also never die. These contradictions aren't flaws in our understanding. They are features of a